We've made viewing appointment details and documentation easier on Faces. Click on your calendar and tap your client's name. Then click Appointment Overview. Here you can view their appointment details, booking process, and payment summary. Go to Forms and Documents to check if they've completed their consent forms, aftercare forms, and medical forms. If the forms are incomplete, you can either complete them in person or resend them to the client. You can also review their consent form history. Make sure you've added your aftercare form, so it automatically sends to your clients after each treatment. Double-check that all required details are completed in their medical form. Add notes for each appointment and use facial mapping to mark where you'll be performing the treatment. Enter the batch number for each treatment and upload before and after photos. You can manage each appointment with ease. Hold bookings by selecting a preset time or add a custom time. You can also customize client follow-ups to maintain consistent communication and activate your business boosters to truly elevate your business. That's it. If you need any help, just let us know. Thanks for watching.